So this is my setup. I have a TS cable going into my Stratocaster, which is going into my DigiDesign 11 rack, which is a DAW interface slash multi-effects processor. I have some PreSonus Studio monitors back there, and then I have my 11 rack hooked to my Dell computer. So I'm going to load up Pro Tools and then show you how I do a recording. So I have Pro Tools loaded up. I'm currently using Pro Tools 11. So I'm going to create a new session. I'm going to create a session from template. I'm using an uncompressed WAV file with a 24-bit depth. I'm going to click on interleaved. My sample rate would be 44.1 kilohertz. For some reason I can't select 48, so I'll have to look and see why that is. But for now I'll just use 44.1. And I'll name it test. I'm going to maximize my screen. This is all new to me, so usually what I do whenever I want to sit down and learn a little bit, I'll just import a backing track and just play along a little bit. So I'm going to import audio. Find a backing track on my desktop. And I'm going to convert the audio so it's usable in Pro Tools. Click Done. Use current folder. And once it's imported, I'm going to just look and make sure my metronome is activated. So my metronome here is highlighted in blue, so that means it's active. So that's good to go. I'm just going to listen to the backing track just to check the levels and see how that sounds. So that's okay. Maybe there's a little bit of I think the vibration was coming from my desk. So I'll just turn that down a little bit. Next I'm going to record and enable my guitar, and I'll leave the track name guitar, and I'm going to check the levels of the guitar itself before I get started. So I think that should be good to go. And so next I'm just going to do a recording for a few seconds and see how that goes. So now I'm just going to go back and see how these sound together. See if the levels are all good. I'm going to turn my clicker off. So it sounds okay. Maybe the guitar needs to come up a little bit. I'm not sure. I'm still, like I said, still learning this. But if I did want to adjust the levels a little bit, I would come here and adjust that a little bit with my mixer and do a little mixing. But I hope this was a little helpful just to see how, how I record, at least for now. Hopefully once the course is over, I'll be doing something a little bit more than importing backing tracks and just recording over, one track. But anyway, thanks for critiquing, and good luck to everyone.